Let's come to question number 2, exercise 14.1, and consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. 50 workers of a factory. And the daily wages are given. Okay, you can see the daily wages, right? And number of workers are given. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. Any method you can use. Okay, we'll continue now. Question number 2. The daily wages are given and number of workers are given. So we can use any method. We last question number 1, we used a direct method. The direct method, we use 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are required. But other methods, and either assumed mean method or step division method, we need 5 columns. I'm going to use a step division method. We are going to use it step division method, easy here. Using step deviation method. Okay, here what is step division method formula? The mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi Ui divided by N into H. This is a formula. Then A mean assumed mean you have to find out, but before that, what to do? First you can find the class mark. You can go for the class mark. Class mark means these two middle number, 500 and 520. The middle number, what is that? 510. But even though, we'll try to find out 500 plus lower limit plus upper limit and divided by 2. Then what came here? 500 plus 520. That means together is become, add it. It will be 1020 divided by 2, 510. You want to check? 500 plus 520 together is become 1020 and divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 ones are 2, okay, 110. The same manner, 520 and 540, middle value is come here 530. These two middle. 540, 560 middle, 550. So these two cancel out. 510, 530, 550. So what comes next? 570. Next 590, right? Okay. You want that both will be added and divided by 2. You will be getting the result. Now we go for this is called Xi. Now we going for Ui. What is Ui? Ui means Xi minus A by H. This means width of the class interval. Xi minus A by H. A you have to select it. A means any one mean. This Xi is from here you can select any one our assumed mean. Either 510, 530, 550, 570, 90. You can select any one. But better select middle one. So middle number. Here totally 5 number is there. I think this is a middle number A. We are selecting as a assumed mean. That means we are selecting Xi minus 550 divided by, what is the width of the class interval? Width means the difference. What is the width? The H is equal to, I mean the difference of these two. 520 minus 500. Upper limit minus lower limit, class size is equal to 20. This 20 is called, we call into H. H equal to 20. Upper limit minus lower limit. To put it. Now we are going to simplify this calculation. Watch now. What is Ui? Ui means Xi minus 550 by 20. 550 is assumed mean. Xi 510 minus 550 and divided by 20. How much getting? 510 minus 550 is become minus 40 divided by 20. 0, 0 cut it. 2 ones are, 2 twos are. It is coming minus 2. So this result is minus 2. Again the same way 540, next one. Next what came here? Xi become 5. Xi how much that? 530 minus 550. Assumed mean 550 divided by 20. 20 is the width of the class interval. Now it is minus 20 by 20. 20 cancel it. It is minus 1. So this result is minus 1. So next you can see the same manner. This one come here. Xi 550 minus 550 and divided by 20. 550 minus 550 becomes 0. By 20 is become 0. It becomes 0. The same way here 570 minus 550 divided by 20. Xi minus A become A selected 550 divided by 20. So it is become 20 divided by 20. It is 1. So the result is 1. The same will come here 2. See, when this step is method easier, if we selected 550 as assumed mean directly 0. In the greater this number is greater than 550. 550 is a 570 is bigger than 550. That come positive values 1, 2. This is less than 550. A is selected 550, smaller than the side, minus 1, minus 2. It goes like that. Always. So without doing calculation, you can be able to write. Okay. Now come to Fi UI. What is Fi UI? You can see. Fi and UI multiply. It is Fi, it is UI multiply. 12 into minus 2. Plus into minus, minus. 12 2s are 24. And 14 into minus 1. 14 into minus 1, minus 14. 8 into 0, it is 0. 6 1s are become 6. 10 2s are, it is 20. Now you can see N. N means sigma Fi. Sigma Fi is equal to, all will be add together. You will be getting that 50. If you add together, it is getting 50. And this all add together. Sigma Fi UI will be adding together. It is together is become minus 38. Look at here. Minus 38 plus 26. This negative add together, minus 38 and plus 26 become minus 12. So now we go for the mean. So what is the mean? Mean is equal to A plus sigma Fi xi by mean. So A, what is A? Assumed mean. Assumed mean is 550. We have selected A as assumed mean. I am putting A plus 550. So you can return 550. So plus sigma Fi UI, yes, minus 12. Divided by N. N is 50. N is 50. And the width of the class interval. I told you width is become the difference between these two. 520 minus 520. Right. Now let's simplify. The 0, 0 cut it now. Okay. 550. You cannot cut here because the addition is here. Please don't take it as a multiplication. Here you can cancel because multiplication. Okay. Okay. Plus into minus, minus. 12 2s are 24. Divided by 5. So 550 minus 24 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Point. And 440. 5 8s are 40. So let's minus it. 550.0 and minus 4.8. So 10 minus 8 is become 2. 9 minus 4 is become 5. It is 4. It is 5. It is 545.2. That's our mean. Okay. I hope you understand this calculation. 545.2. The mean daily wages of the workers equal to this one. That's called the, you have to write that last conclusion. Therefore, the mean daily wages of the workers is equal to rupees 545. Right now, rupees 545.20. That's after the point will give rupees 2 place of decimals will be there. So 20 is to write. Okay. I hope you understand question number 2. Let's go to question number 3.